Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to turn on call screening on iOS 26. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone. Then once you go to the settings of your iPhone, you need to scroll down till you find here this section, apps. Click on apps. Now once you click on apps, you need to scroll down till you find here this option, phone. Tap on it. Once you go to phone, here you should scroll down more till you get here to this option, screen unknown callers, and you can choose between never or ask reason for calling or silence, but here we're going to choose ask reason for calling, and this will make the iPhone automatically ask the unknown caller why he's calling you, and after answering from the caller, it will show you why is this caller calling you as a screen chat between you and the caller. So toggle this option on once you have this check mark beside the option right here. This means that you have chosen this option. And down below here, you can do some more options like the call filtering. If you want to filter the unknown callers, missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers will be silenced and move to the unknown callers list. If you want to toggle this option on, you can simply click on it. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.